this concept of how value is recognised in a law firm, and that even though you don't get the gold stars, you don't get the grade that you get at school and at university in a law firm, there are all of these subtle ways that you are told when that you're valued. And one of the kind of secrets that shouldn't really be a secret at all is to let lawyers know the messages that they're getting and let them understand the messages that they're getting. So the firm and the partners and the senior lawyers let you know you're valued by giving you more work. And it can seem like a very strange thing. The way that we let you know that we think you're good is we give you more work. And so the reward for being really good is that you will drown in work. If you are no good, you actually won't get any work. And so the fact that a lawyer has very little work on is actually feedback. They may not get any feedback at all. No one may sit them down and say, there's a problem with how you're performing, there's a problem with the way that you're doing your work, there's these things that you need to work on. They will likely not get any of that. What they just get is no more work, because people try them out and they're like, oh, this person was no good. They didn't give me what I needed. I'm not giving them any more work. I don't have time for that. Whereas if they do value you, then they want you on every deal. They want you in all of their matters, and you get in this situation where the partners and the senior lawyers are arguing with each other over who's going to get to use you. That means you're good. That means you're one of the best. So if you're not sure if you're doing well, if you're not sure if you're performing, that's how you know, because you are being given work matter after matter after matter, and you actually have too much work on. And lawyers as the juniors will sit around and say, I don't understand, like that person just keeps getting all this work and I'm sitting here and I've got nothing to do, and they've got the work of 2 people and I've got none. That means that whether it's fair or not, it's been decided that you actually aren't as good as that lawyer, and they're the one that they trust. So you have this very painful method of letting people know whether they are achieving or not achieving. No one talks about it. It's just based on this kind of fact. Am I getting work? Am I not getting work? And as my friend pointed out to me the other day, he said, in addition to you getting lots and lots of work when you are achieving well and they're happy to use you, you actually get lots of negative feedback. So you're getting the work piled on you because you're good, but what you're experiencing is lots of negative feedback. This was wrong, fix it, fix it, fix it. And you think, I'm hopeless. But actually what that is lawyers being prepared to invest in you. So when you're getting feedback, which is always going to be pretty much negative, when you're getting that negative feedback, that's training. That's what training is. For lawyers, that's what training is. Whether it should be that, whether it could be better, probably. But how lawyers train is they give feedback. That was wrong, do it differently this next time. Here's what you missed. Here's what you need to know next time. That's training. And so if you're getting trained, as in if you're getting lots of negative feedback and being required to go back and do things again, but you're also being given lots of work, that means you're one of the best lawyers in the firm.